Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the Apple Card that's leaked and is currently being tested and it's out in the wild. So currently, the Apple Card is being tested by corporate and personal employees of Apple, and it's looking for that same summer launch. So as we edge closer and closer to the summer launch, and it is June 21st today, so we edge closer and closer to that summer launch, we will be getting the Apple Card. So currently it's being tested and they're making sure it's running the right software, and people are unboxing it and giving some more juicy details about the Apple Card. So basically in this video, I'm going to be covering everything about the Apple Card based on the first impressions from the employees and just the news that we're currently hearing about that Apple Card. So yes, if you're wondering, the Apple Card is currently out in the wild, and this is the first time we've seen a picture of the Apple Card since the March Apple Services event. So they announced all the new features about the Apple Card, the Apple TV streaming service, and had all the celebrities there and everything like that. But now we finally see the Apple Card again, and it has seen the light of day. So the overall design is exactly like the event, but we actually have pictures of it now other than just up on the stage. So it's a very minimalist design. It's titanium, it's very high quality, just has the Apple logo and doesn't show anything else. Now there's no credit card numbers, no expiry date, or anything like that, no CVV on the back. It just has that plain Apple logo and in the top left, and then it has your name right under it, and then that's all you basically need. So the Apple Card does pair with Apple Wallet, and it generates virtual card numbers and confirmations for all your purchases. And that's basically what it does. And on the back, you'll see that it will say Goldman Sachs and it will say MasterCard. So it's pretty plain and simple on the back. Now the Apple Card did get weighed, so it weighs 14.75 grams. So now we know the exact weight of it if you didn't already know. Now the packaging for the Apple Card is just a plain white sleeve, and inside of it is actually a multicolored layout of packaging. So it'll tell you all the different purchase categories that it can be used for. So it's very like Apple, pretty mute on the outside, but when you get it, it's pretty loud, and it has all the features and what it has to offer, just with the different purchase categories that you can use your Apple Card for inside of the actual box of the packaging. Now, in terms of the actual Apple Card details, you have to have between a 600 and 700 credit score at the bare minimum to be approved for it. You have a $1,000 credit card limit. And for the arrival time, once the application goes through, it's actually 1 week. Now, in terms of the software being used for the Apple Card, it's iOS 12.4, so it's currently being tested and all the bugs of 12.4 are being fixed. So it's just making sure that the Apple Card will be ready for the wide rollout to everybody that lines up for this Apple Card. So that is all we know about the Apple Card as of today. There's new details being emerged as we get closer to that launch of the Apple Card. Now, there's no specific release date yet, but be sure to subscribe, as I will be the first one covering everything about the Apple Card on my YouTube channel, Apple Critics, and also my website, AppleCritics.com. So thanks for watching this video on the Apple Card being leaked and getting all the new details, and that it's out in the wild and it's on its way. So please be sure to subscribe to like this video. So please be sure to smash that like button down below so know you watch. Also be sure to check out all the videos on my channel. Be sure to check out my playlist on iOS 13 and the other playlist links down below. Also be sure to check out AppleCritics.com for latest Apple news, and more. Like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/AppleCritics, and also follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/AppleCritics, and also follow me on Instagram at instagram.com/AppleCritics or at AppleCritics. So once again, thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned.